How to scale from $10,000 a month to $50,000 months without working more. Scaling isn't about working harder. It's about structuring your business for exponential growth. Most entrepreneurs hit a wall at 10,000 a month, but breaking through to 50,000 is easier than you think. The secret? It's not about working harder. It's about structuring your business for scale. Stay with me because I'm going to break down how to multiply your income without multiplying your workload. One, shifting from linear to exponential income. You can't scale by doing more of what got you to 10,000. Stop selling time for money. If you have to work more to earn more, you're stuck. Scale by selling assets, not hours. More effort should not be required for more money. Two, create offers that scale. High ticket offers equal fewer clients, more profit. Digital products equal sell once, earn forever. What if your income didn't depend on daily effort? Three, remove yourself from sales and delivery. Sales funnels equal 24/7 sales machine. Automation equals income that runs without you. Real wealth comes when your business works without you. If you want to scale from 10,000 to 50,000, drop ready in the comments below. Two, mastering high-level lead generation. If you don't have consistent leads, you can't scale. Leverage paid traffic for faster growth. Paid ads equal control over your income. A small investment, big returns when done right. Scaling isn't about guessing. It's about strategic growth. Two, retargeting the hidden keys to sales. 80% of people don't buy the first time around. Retargeting brings them back and closes the sale. More touch points equal more sales. Use organic and paid together for maximum reach. Organic equals long-term credibility. Paid equals fast scaling. Smart entrepreneurs use both for long-term success. Tired of unpredictable income? Click the link in my bio and let's fix that now. Three, creating a 3 times profit plan. Most people focus on revenue, but profit is what matters. Increase your prices and value. More transformation equals higher pricing justified. People pay for results, not just information. Price your offer based on value, not time. Optimize your offer for more profit. Upsells equal increase revenue per customer. Payment plans equal more accessibility and conversions. Scaling isn't about getting more clients. It's about making each one worth more. Reinvest smartly to multiply growth. Ads, automation, delegation, faster scaling. The right investments create exponential income. If your business isn't growing, you're not investing enough. Scaling from 10,000 to 50,000 is not about working harder. It's about working smarter. Click the link in my bio to start scaling today. The difference between a $10,000 entrepreneur and a $50,000 entrepreneur, the right systems, not effort. Comment systems and I'll get you all the details. My next video is how to use paid ads to explode your business growth.